Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I want to appreciate you so much because of your great support. By the way, I want to appreciate Lydia Wairimu from United States of America for contributing to support the purchase of camera, stand, and light for this channel. Please, if you are willing, with a humble heart, please consider supporting. We are having a project of fundraising funds that we are going to purchase a camera, a stand, and a light as we progress. So please consider supporting this channel. Now, welcome for today's analysis. Wafula Chebukati has come out literally revamping certain issues that were not touched by the Supreme Court. As you speak now, Wafula Chebukati has come out to threaten Raila Amolo Odinga. And through threatening Raila Amolo Odinga, people are preparing now to face each other. When it comes to Wafula Chebukati demanding the video, on the other side, Raila Amolo Odinga is also preparing himself how he's going to answer Wafula Chebukati. I want us to read whatever Danstan Omari has come out to say when it comes to literally the threat and the ultimatum of Wafula Chebukati when it comes to the video and the CCTV footage that Wafula Chebukati issued yesterday through his lawyers. And because I want us to read, then we watch whatever Danstan Omari is saying. Then after that, we want to continue. This is whatever Wafula Danstan Omari is saying. Court cannot award Wafula Chebukati anything for defamation. The highest amount it can be awarded is 2 shillings. Ladies and gentlemen, watch that video. Then we continue.
Raila Odinga has said that Chebukati came to see him and Wakil is asking for the video.
Of course. For
the sake of Chebukati, let me give him a chronology. When the Chief Justice was appointed, recruited, she issued a demand letter, a threat to Nelson Harvey. She never pursued that threat. When William Ruto, then the deputy president, and Bonface Ouma sued Bonface Ouma, he abandoned that case as fast as he had filed it. When the Chief Justice, then Emeritus David Maraga, demanded a similar letter from Amin Nasir, when the file went to court, the Chief Justice took off. If Chebukati wants to know what Kenyans think about him, is to allow himself to be a party in a court process. None has ever succeeded. When you are a public figure, a lot of issues are talked about. So I don't think anybody is going to respond to that letter, and we'll be expecting they go to court. Then the evidence shall be produced in court. But they have a right to demand what they are demanding, and they are opening up the question of the electoral processes. But I've given a chronology that no public figure, just ask Uhuru Kenyatta, he had to dash away from social media because he realized under Article 35, under Article 34, Kenyans have a right to talk anything. Raila Odinga will say what he wants to say. If you think that...
Even impugning the character of, a former chairperson of an independent institution like IEBC, and look, this is part of what the letter says. Our client is aggrieved that you took no caution or responsibility while making the adverse remarks, with the consequence that our client has suffered and continues to suffer serious reputational injury, taking into account his status and position as a former chair of IBC. His reputation has come into question.
One of the defenses against defamation
is the truth.
Is about proof, justification, and public office. Chebukati was holding a public office. Based on that, anybody will tell him whatever he wants to be told. No court is going to award him anything. If he'll be given damages, he'll be given nominal damages of 1 shilling or 2 shillings. He should be advised properly that he has no recourse in a court of law when he was holding the office of the chair of, if it is a private entity, a private person, then there is a recourse for defamation. But public officers, for example, the similar matter I was having yesterday, that an MCA of Korogosho has called either the president Mwizi from State House. You can't sue anywhere. The president cannot take the dock to give evidence. So this is the realities of law, that now this matter is playing into the hands of Azimio. Because Chebukati is, as I said, Kenya Kwanza have no strategists. They should take my good friends here to be their strategists.
Okay.
You have got to assess your statement, your actions, the reaction that is going to generate. Chebukati now.
So what you're saying is, you know, as a part of the legal representative of Azimio, are we not going to get any response with regard to this letter?
We'll wait for they have given 7 days,
right.
6 days remaining. Let them file the matter. We will respond appropriately in court.
Okay. Let's hear from...
and we'll produce that evidence. We give them the tape for what? So that they do it with it what?
All right.
Can they punish? Can they do anything with it?
Now, I think you have watched whatever Danstan Omari has said. And by the way, Danstan Omari is the Azimio pair and also part of the lawyer and counsel. As we speak now, Wafula Chebukati amejiingiza kwenye mambo ambayo hangejiingiza. If I could have advised Wafula Chebukati, maybe if I could have been his son, his wife, or even his advisor, I could have come out to tell Wafula Chebukati to stay out of these issues and wrangles with public figures like Raila Odinga, Uhuru Kenyatta, William Ruto. Those people, when it comes to the politics of the Republic of Kenya, and also that you want to report them to court, I want to say he can't succeed, because according to law, if Wafula Chebukati wants to go and sue Raila Odinga, he's going, because he has come out to demand that within 7 days, if the video is not going to avail to his lawyers, then they're going to take other actions. Then Danstan Omari has come out to tell, of course, Wafula Chebukati, he is wasting time. Even 7 days ultimatum is very long. You just proceed to the court so that we can understand the truth, the way I told you the other day. When you look at, of course, the issue of Rafael Tuju claiming that he has a CCTV footage, Wafula Chebukati himself before the tribunal, he said that he's having CCTV footages. Raila Odinga is having CCTV footages. Do you know the reason and the problem that Wafula Chebukati is bringing to himself? Is that people are going to court now to look again when it comes to the process of electoral in this Republic of Kenya. Because people thought like that election, according to the Supreme Court, they came out giving their verdict and everything was very clear in accordance to the Madam Hotel. So Wafula Chebukati to come now wanting to sue Raila Odinga because of defamation, I want to tell you today, even if you're supporting Kenya Kwanza, even if you're supporting Azimio, even if you're supporting Wafula Chebukati, tell Wafula Chebukati he is not going to succeed. He's not going to succeed. I'm telling you with free heart. And as time goes by, the way things are going to unfold, Raila Odinga has not come out to answer Wafula Chebukati, but expect the answer from Raila Odinga after Nigeria, Senegal visit. And you will hear whatever is going to happen. So we are just waiting whatever is going to happen literally. But whatever Wafula Chebukati has come out to entering, It's just yeye anajichimbulia kaburi na anajiingiza yeye mwenyewe. If I've retired from the office, even hata kama wananiharibu jina, mimi nilishamaliza yangu, nimeponyoka kidogo, ningeingizwa ndani because of the issues of electoral process. Wewe bado umesha retire, bado unarudi. I mean, Wafula Chebukati is literally doing something that is not going to favor him. Even if he's going to be sponsored by William Ruto. Because you see, this government of Kenya Kwanza lands, they've come out to glorify Wafula Chebukati as another god in their life as the head of state. Because when you look at the way Wafula Chebukati has come out, I believe it is advice from Kenya Kwanza to come out through Wafula Chebukati to sue Raila Amolo Odinga. But ladies and gentlemen, we want to wait the way things are going to unfold. By literally, Wafula Chebukati is not going to succeed. So ladies and gentlemen, what are your thoughts? Drop your opinion at the comment section below. Otherwise, I want to appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for those who are continuing to support this channel. As you know that I'm displaying my number at the bottom of the screen. We are having a project of buying a camera, a stand and a light so that we can grow. We want to produce things that are legit, and even when I bring something, it is good that you can ever admire. So if you are you're willing to support, please support. If you're not willing, please just don't. Support with humble heart, support. Otherwise, bye bye till we meet on another video.